When we say arithmetic mean, those are terms between any two non-consecutive, again, non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, let's say for example, find two arithmetic means between 2 and 8. So, again, we are gonna use same formula in solving this one. Uh, but we need to understand the question. So, as we can see, find two arithmetic mean between, which means between 2 and 8, we need to insert another two numbers. So just like this, 2, and then insert another two numbers, 1, 2, and then the 8. Now, so for us to find this one, what we will do is to find the important parameters on our formula. Say for example, a sub n. Is a sub n given? So as we can see, we find the a sub n here as our 8. So therefore, a sub n is equals to 8. And then a sub 1 pertains to the first term, which is equals to 2. And then n. So again, n pertains to the number of the arithmetic sequence. So we have the first term, we have the second term, we have the third term, and we have the fourth term. So therefore, n is equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, the value of n is equals to 4. And then, we look for our d. So again, so to solve for d, we need to use a sub 2 minus a sub 1. But in this case, we don't have a sub 2. That's why we need to find the value of d using the same formula. A sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 multiplied to d. Okay, so again we substitute the value. So a sub n becomes 8 is equals to a sub 1, which is 2, plus quantity n, which is equals to 4, minus 1 multiplied to d. So this will become our new equation. Okay, again, I will just rewrite a sub n or a sub 4 is equals to 8 is equals to a sub 1, which is 2, plus the quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 4n, minus 1 multiplied to d. Again, we use the rule of PEMDAS. Okay, so we start at the parentheses. So we just copy 8 is equals to 2 plus 4 minus 1 is equals to 3 multiplied to d. Now, as we can see, we can find d yet. But how are we gonna find d? You need to isolate. Isolate d, okay, to find its value. So how are we gonna isolate that? First of all, we need to subtract 2 to each equation, to the left hand side and to the right hand side. Okay, so 8 minus 2 becomes 6. 2 minus 2 will become cancelled out, and then plus 3d is equals to 3d. Is this one our final answer? Not yet, because it is not yet isolated. So for us to isolate d, we need to divide both sides by 3 to cancel out 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is cancelled out, and then therefore d will remain, and then 6 all over 3, or 6 divided by 3 is 2. Therefore, the value of D is equals to 2. So what we will do is to add 2 to the next term. Say for example, the first term is 2. We need to add 2. To find the second term, 2 plus 2 is 4, which is our second term. And then again, we need to add 2 on our 4 to find the third term, which is 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. And then again, we need to add 2 for us to check our answer. Okay? 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Therefore, our answer is correct. The arithmetic mean of 2 and 8 is equals to 4 and 6.